One of the quickest ways to make a bad impression on someone when you meet them, either in person or on video, is to look nothing like your LinkedIn headshot. Fortunately, there are tons of people out there who have an old, outdated photo from a decade ago or a more recent photo that's photoshopped so much that it looks absolutely nothing like them. People that I talk to who have those old, outdated photos tell me that they're waiting for the opportunity to have an appointment with a professional photographer. But that is absolutely not necessary. All you need is a headshot, preferably with you smiling in whatever attire is appropriate for your profession. You don't even have to worry about the background because you could easily eliminate that. And I'm going to show you how. Now that you see how quick and easy and free it is to put together a new headshot for your LinkedIn profile, you have no more excuses. So do it today.